Those here in the press conference.
Mr. Minister. But I can, in the past as a parliamentarian, representing the council here, not
In this capacity for the first time, then I wish you all welcome in this capacity. Let have you here. Different international forums here. So maybe it's time to start thinking about establishing the connections on the high school on the level of the head of state. That's it. Maybe after that, I would be glad to host your president or to be his guest down there. So welcome.